Something I've come across twice this week is LinkedIn company pages, and should the company be focusing on building the page or the profile? And this is the second company this week that has focused on the company page. In short, company pages are dead. They are very, very difficult to grow, if not nigh on impossible, unless you are really clever and strategic and use your profile and adverts to grow them. Organic growth is just dead. LinkedIn's trying to fix the problem. About a couple of months ago, it included a new functionality, a new feature to invite your connections to follow your page. Everyone spammed the living daylights out of it, so they took it off as a feature, and now it is nearly impossible to grow a page. So my recommendation is focus on using your individual page, so your individual profile, your personal LinkedIn profile to grow your business, and your sales team, your marketing team, and your senior executives, and that will enable you to grow on LinkedIn and generate inbound leads, because people like to connect with people on LinkedIn. It's not the same as Facebook and Twitter, where they like to connect with pages as well. So my number one recommendation on this front is focus your time, your energy and your commitment on your profiles, not on your company pages.